Hello students, this is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to connect our sentences. And in today's class, we're going to learn how to use it effectively. So the conjunctions we're going to review are and, but, or, so, and because. The first one is and. And is used for similar ideas. He's a plumber and she's a teacher. Similar ideas. The next one is but. But is used for contrast. I studied a lot, but I failed the exam. So I'm contrasting two conflicting parts of the sentence. Contrast. The next one, or possibility. Two possibilities. Tea or coffee. Result. So, this is very common. So, it was cold, so I turned on the heating. As a result, it was cold, and as a result, I turned on the heating. And finally, reason. Because or cause, more informally. For everyday English, I turned on the heating because it was so cold, or because it was so cold. But remember, never to write cause, only in spoken communication. So, and similar information. They have an apartment in the city and a little house in the countryside. In addition to that, but contrast, that's the key word. Information that is different. He's good, yeah, but not the best. Contrasting information. Or different possibilities. He can go to a hotel or stay with us. Different scenarios. Similar words or phrases. Dancing and singing. Go to the beach or to have an ice cream. Very similar types of conjunctions. So is used for consequence and results. It was cold, so I turned on the heating. So I'm really tired. Why? As a result of exercising. And last but not least is the use of because. Specifically used to give reason. I turned on the heating because it was cold. I'm speaking quietly because I don't want to wake up the baby. So this is the topic of today's class, conjunctions, to connect our sentences in a cohesive way, to illustrate similar ideas, contrast, different possibilities, results, and reason. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.